Are you still throwing away old scrap cables? Stop. What you are throwing away is not waste, it's money. Scrap cables are made of valuable materials like copper and plastic. With the right recycling solution, these discarded wires can be transformed into reusable resources and create new value. Our copper wire granulator makes this possible through an efficient recycling process, including shredding, crushing, and separation, helping maximize resource recovery and improve recycling efficiency. The recycling process starts with a single shaft shredder and knife crusher, which reduce the size of scrap cables and prepare them for further separation. Then, the air separator efficiently separates the materials, allowing you to recover high-purity copper and clean plastic granules. Equipped with a pulse dust collector, our copper wire granulator ensures a cleaner working environment. With high recovery efficiency and excellent copper purity, our copper recycling machine is an ideal solution for cable recycling businesses. We offer copper wire granulators with different capacities to meet various production requirements. Recycling symbol looking to start or upgrade your recycling business? Contact SUNY Metal for a customized recycling solution. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. SUNY Metal will continue sharing the latest technologies and solutions in the solid waste recycling industry. Follow SUNY Metal and let's create a greener and more valuable future together.